Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the extra debit card. So I actually got a comment, someone asking, hey, do a review on the extra debit card. And I was like, extra debit card? But I'm going to do a review because I actually did some research. And I actually approve this debit card. I actually do approve this debit card. It's a few things I do want to talk to you guys about, but I actually approve it. I'm not getting paid by them or anything. So definitely my opinion is my opinion. But this is the extra debit card. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the extra debit card. For one thing, they're going to start building your credit. So if you sign up, they're going to report the 15th of the following month. They're not going to do any credit check at all. But what they're going to do is they're going to look into your bank account, see what your balance is at that time. So I suggest you guys wait till you get paid. They're going to see what your balance is at that time, and then they're going to report it to the credit bureaus as that's your limit. And we'll go into greater details, but that's basically what it is. Whatever your balance is at that time, they're going to report that as your limit, and you can start using this debit card, and then they'll just go ahead and take the money out of your account, and they'll total up how much you've been paying on all your purchases per month and report that to the credit bureaus. So they got some reviews here if you guys want to come to their website and actually check them out. I seen somebody said their credit score went up over 70 points this past month, that is amazing, you guys. 70 points this past month. I really like that review. So, somebody saying 24-point increase. And somebody here too, I wanted to post this. Somebody never had, I guess they didn't really have credit, but they left a review saying an extra boosted their credit score 50 points. So that's really good. So if you guys are starting off because you don't have credit at all, this may be a great account for you, because as you can see here, they said that their credit score went up over 50 points. Now they're asking why extra. So every purchase that you make will build your credit. So at the end of the month, you guys, they're going to report whatever, they're going to tally up like everything that you've been spending on that debit card. And then they're going to report that to the credit bureau, and it's going to boost your credit score. But remember, whatever your limit is, well, I don't want to say your limit, but whatever your balance is at that time is going to be your limit. So make sure you guys are signing up after you get paid or when you have a lot of money in your account. So I want you guys to do that, since they're going to base it off of that. You guys have a chance to earn reward points. So reward points. So, sometimes banks have cash back. Sometimes they have it where you guys can get points. So they got the points here, and they're going to connect it with your bank account. So it's over 10,000 plus banks that they can connect with around the United States. So I see a lot of people in different countries watching for this credit card, but it looked like it's only available in the United States. But let's talk about how it works. So the first thing is you want to make sure you connect your bank account, and they're going to give you a spending limit based off your bank balance, and they're not going to do any credit check at all. So that's kind of like the Tumo credit card, no credit check at all. And what they're going to do is they're going to spot you that purchase. So say if you go to the store, you buy something for $20, they're going to actually give you that $20. They're going to lend you that $20. But the next business day, they're going to take that $20 out of your account. So with the Tumo credit card, you guys know, like, it's kind of like a charge account, where if you guys don't know about that, I'll make sure I pop it up here. Kind of like a charge account. They're going to look at your bank account, see how much you have, but they're going to look at your bank account and give you a limit. But technically, you have to pay that balance back within a month. So with this one, they want their money back the next day. But the Tumo credit card, they're going to want their money back within that month. But definitely check out the Tumo credit card if you guys are loving this so far. And then at the end of the month, they're going to tally up all your transactions and report them to the credit bureaus. Now, they only report to Equifax and Experian. They do not report to TransUnion, which I really hate. TransUnion is my lowest credit score. And I really don't like that a lot of companies don't even report to TransUnion. Just for you guys too, because TransUnion is my lowest. I'm thinking too, maybe it's your lowest, but you're not where I'm at in terms of credit cards. And if you're trying to boost your credit score, you want them to report to TransUnion. But unfortunately, they don't report to TransUnion. But they're saying, what's the difference between a regular credit card and an extra credit card? So a regular credit card, you got a mandatory credit check, but that's not true. If it's secured, like you guys can look into an Open Sky account, you guys can get that account with no credit check, but that's a secure credit card. We have to put down a minimum of $200. And they're saying that you can charge up to 17% interest, but That's not true either. You can get charged more than 17% interest. But this one, they don't charge you anything with the extra debit cards. You got no credit checks, no interest. And then 30-day payment cycles. Every day you have to pay your extra debit card. So you buy something today for $20. Tomorrow they're taking it out of your bank account for that same $20. So keep that in mind. So don't think, oh, I got 30 days to pay. It's not like a regular credit card. The other credit cards, they're comparing it. They're saying they have 8 hours a day for 5 days customer service. Oh my gosh, that's me. That's my company. We don't stay over that long, but they're saying they're 24/7. So that's good. And you can click right here to apply. Right here to apply. It doesn't even matter. But you can put your bank account in to see what bank. Put your bank account in. Let them find your bank. And I actually went through some of their frequently asked questions. So let me see which ones. I think I kind of summed up everything. But this one is extra secure credit card. No, it's not a secure credit card. And the point that they pay off your bill the next day, you will never have to worry about your interest, oh my gosh, I can't even think, your utilization being over that 30% or 5%. So that's good. So that's what that one is. And then don't forget, with a secure credit card, they may, they got to require a deposit. So you'll put minimum $200 down a lot of times. But also, with them, whatever your balance is at that time is your limit. So if you have $1,500 in your account, you have $5,000, $10,000, that could be your limit. So that's the difference between a secure credit card and extra. And extra is not telling you, hey, we see you got $5,000 in your account. For us to give you that limit, send it to us. They're not saying that. They're saying, hey, we're going to give you that limit automatically. So that is really good. Now, the thing is, the extra does have a monthly fee. They have 2 different monthly fees, so keep that in mind. That is something I didn't like, the extra fees that you guys were going to be paying at all with this one. But if somebody is interested, I don't try to knock them. Some people need this, I say, hey, do what you got to do, because $7 per month, you'll spend that on something crazy. You'll spend that when you go out to eat, going to get you some Starbucks, going to Taco Bell, I don't know, going to the gas station to get gas, and you get all these snacks. So $7 a month is not bad, knowing that you're boosting your credit. You boosting your credit scores. Now, here's the part that a lot of people always ask about. So currently they're reporting to Equifax and Experian at the end of each month. So at the end of the month, they're going to report to the credit bureaus. If you sign up for them in any month, they're going to report by the 15th of the following month. And don't forget, by the 15th. So they could report sooner, you guys. They could report sooner. But if you have this debit card and you want to tell us a little bit more about your experience with them, definitely let us know down in the comments. And remember, you guys, when you purchase something, the next day they're coming to get the money. They're coming to get that money the next day. But that's really all of the features when they come down to the extra debit card. You can click right here on apply now. And then they had like a little bit more details. They saying, hey, are you at least 18 years old? Yeah, I am. Begin the application. And it's starting at $7 per month. So let's go ahead and see how much they'll let me do without putting a lot of information in. Oh, they actually want a lot more information for me to actually go forward. But you guys, definitely go ahead and apply for this if you're interested in this debit card. If there's any other video you want me to make, because somebody literally sent me this comment and I'll make you the video. If you want to make you a personal video, let me know, because I surely will. But drop it down in the comments. I'll make you that video. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you drop it down in the comments. Hopefully this debit card will work for you. But understand to apply for it when you have a high balance in your account, and also make sure you understand that the next day they come to get that money out of your account. It's not like a regular credit card. You can let it sit forever, just pay the minimum balance. It's not like that at all. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.